Bro, good morning G. G, today I am send 18/06/2024 Kerala Lottery 3 p.m. result G. No advance after pass payment 2000 rupees. Only I am send AB board, BC board, AC. AB, BC, AC board send G. Total 12 sets send. One set is confirm winning G. After winning share 2000 rupees. The date 18/06/2024. Today game I am send. Today game only after pass payment. Today free game send G. Today I am send AB board 69964114. BC board 9868184893631343. Total 12 sets send I am. One set is confirm winning G. Today AB BC board G. Free game G. Tomorrow to confirm I am game. Today game is 18/06/2024 Kerala Lottery AB BC board G.